Here we have a SAT math problem. Okay, let's go to the question. In the equation given below, k is a positive constant. The product of the solutions to the equation is 154. What is the value of k? Okay, for this equation, we have the product of the solutions, so that is 154, and we have to find the value of the constant k over here. Okay, now let's consider the stuff we have on the left side of the equation. Here we have product of four quantities. The first one over here, second one, third one, and fourth one. In these four quantities, one of the quantities is a constant, that is 3 over 5. Okay, to get rid of this constant 3 over 5, let's multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this 3 over 5, that is 5 over 3. Okay, let me do it on the right side as well. Here this 5 will cancel out and 3 will cancel out, and we get 5x positive 11 times x positive square root of 5k positive 10 times x negative square root of 5k positive 10 equals to 0 multiplied by anything is still 0. Okay, we get 0 on the right side. Okay, now we have product of three quantities equals to 0. So since the product of these three quantities equals to 0, the first one may be 0, or the second one may be 0, or the third one may be 0. That is first binomial, that is 5x positive 11 may be 0, or the second one, that is x positive square root of 5k positive 10 equals to 0, or the third one, that is x negative square root of 5k positive 10 equals to 0. Okay, now let's solve for x in this equation. For that, we have to subtract 11 from both sides. When I do so, I am getting 5x equals to negative 11. Now to get rid of this 5, which is multiplied by x, I have to divide both sides by 5. When I do so, I am getting x equals to negative 11 over 5. Okay, so for the given equation, I got one of the solutions. That is one of the values of the variable x, that is negative 11 over 5. Okay, now to solve for x in this one, I have to get rid of this square root term. For that, we have to subtract square root of 5k positive 10 from both sides. Okay, let me do it. 5k positive 10. So when I do so, this positive value, negative value will cancel. I'm getting x equals to negative square root of 5k positive 10. Okay, now to solve for x in this one, I have to get rid of this term. For that, we have to add both sides positive, square root of 5k positive 10. Okay, let me add square root of 5k positive 10 to both sides. Let me do it over here. Okay, when I do so, this negative value, positive value will cancel. I'm getting x equals to square root of 5k positive 10. Okay, now I got all the solutions for the given equation. All solutions means three solutions. So this is the first one, and this is the second one, and this is the third one. Okay, according to the given information, the product of the solutions to the equation is 154. That is when I multiply this one, this one, this one. So the product equals to 154. Okay, let me multiply them. Negative 11 over 5 times negative square root of 5k positive 10 times square root of 5k positive 10 equals to 154. Here, when we multiply this negative by negative, it will become positive 11 over 5. And here, we multiply two square roots with the same stuff inside the square root. Let's consider a product, that is square root of a times square root of a. Okay, here we multiply two square roots with the same stuff inside the square root. Then it will result just a, the stuff what we have inside the square root. Okay, using this property, when we multiply this square root and square root, I'll be getting 5k positive 10 equals to 154. Okay, so here we have to solve for k in this equation. First, we have to get rid of this fraction 11 over 5. For that, we have to multiply both sides of the equation by the reciprocal of this 11 over 5, that is 5 over 11. Let me do it, 5 over 11. So here 11 will cancel, 5 will cancel out. We get 5k positive 10 on the left side. Okay, here 11 goes into 11 one times, and 11 goes into 154 14 times. And 5 times 14 is 70. Okay, let me subtract 10 from both sides. This positive 10, negative 10 will cancel. I'm getting 5k equals to 70, negative 10 is 60. Let me divide both sides by 5. When I do so, this 5 will cancel out. K equals to, when I divide 60 by 5, I'm getting 12. Okay, here I got the value of k. The value of k is 12.